Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up shipping on Wix. First, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. From there, find the Settings menu and select Shipping and Fulfillment. You'll then define your shipping regions, like domestic or international, and choose the shipping methods you want to offer. This initial setup is crucial for defining where and how you'll deliver your products to customers. Once your basic regions are set, you can dive into more advanced rules. Consider offering a flat rate for certain zones or for items within a specific weight range. You might also want to incentivize purchases by providing free shipping for orders exceeding a certain value, perhaps $50. Wix allows you to create highly customized rules, ensuring your shipping strategy aligns perfectly with your business model and customer expectations. Wix offers flexibility in choosing your shipping carriers, from major services to local options. You can also set up local pickup or delivery for customers within a specific radius, which is great for community engagement. For more complex needs, consider integrating third-party shipping apps. These tools can provide real-time shipping rates, print labels, and streamline your entire fulfillment process, saving you valuable time and effort. Before going live, thoroughly test all your shipping rules to ensure they function as intended for various scenarios. Continuously monitor your shipping costs and customer feedback to optimize your settings for both profitability and customer satisfaction. Remember, an efficient shipping setup can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including a great option for durable socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.